Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of No Nonsense Music Tips with me, Tony. And today I'm going to be showing you my favourite EQ. I say favourite EQ, it's something I've started using recently and it solves a massive problem for me. I absolutely love this EQ. And so I'm going to show you this to you guys. So this is Smart EQ 4 and I'm going to show you why I love this one. So I'm going to play this track here, just a track a beat I've been working on. Really like this. And so we've got a Smart EQ on, and what I've done is I've put Smart EQ on a couple of different tracks. So you can see here I've got them on the beat, the bass, the piano, pretty much everything. And what you can do is once you've got this on, say you turn this on, you'll have your main EQ for whatever it is. So in this case I think is the beat I'm on, and you can then put this into a group, and you can see here we've got this group here. So what we'll do is we'll manage the group. And when you manage the group, I'm going to bypass this, bypass them all. So this is what it sounds like. I'm going to put everything in. So the thing I love about this EQ is this hierarchy thing here. So we've got all these EQs and you can separate, you can click them and edit them in this bottom one here. I'm currently on this one here, which is the beat, but whichever one you click here, you can edit down at the bottom here. And they'll mask each other against each other as well. That's the good thing. You can learn all and it'll mask against each other. But the thing I love is this hierarchy. The one thing I struggled with when mixing was this front to back. So I could work out the left to right, I could work out the up and down, but I couldn't work out the front to back. And so this helps with that. So we've got a front, a middle and a back here. So you can position these individually where you want them in the mix. So say we've got the piano there and it's standing out quite well. And the vocals in the back. So we could bring the vocal up to the top. And it just pushes that vocal forward for you. And then we'll say, right, we want to bring that piano down maybe. Just pushes it to the back. Absolutely brilliant. Let's say we want the beat up front. And so for me, that is a really good feature, and definitely think this plugin is worth its money. I think you can get an affiliate with, I think it's Whitesnake Studio. If you go and look up Whitesnake Studio, he's got an affiliate link to this. And you can get it for about £79 with that affiliate link. So this is really good. I'll put a link in the description to I think it's Whitesnake Studio. If I've got that wrong, I'm sorry. But there'll be a link in the description to where he reviews this and his affiliate link. But this is an amazing feature for those people that are learning how to mix, or those people that just want to produce and don't want to focus on the mixing. This is an amazing little tool. I do realise, like, this is No Nonsense Music Tips, and this is what I want to try and deliver. I want to try and deliver no nonsense music tips, and it's not based about those people who already know how to mix and are very good at it. This is about the people that are learning to mix and are still taking time to hone their ears in, because that takes years to do. And the things you can help to learn this stuff, and also targeting producers that can't learn or don't want to learn how to mix. They'd rather just learn producing but still get a nice sound. So things like these really help out. So yeah, so that's a quick one from me, guys. I hope you like that one. And if you do, don't forget to take that point to tickle that like button for us, guys. Hit the bell and subscribe notification for more videos. I'm still learning how to deliver this content. I do have a successful gaming channel. You can see that at the bottom if you want to go and check that out. But I'm just trying to work out a structure for this channel. I do get a lot of comments from people about the AI stuff, the AI voice in the quick tips. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like the AI? Do you like just my voice? Would you want me to have a mixture of the two, or would you want me to replace the AI voice with my voice? I did explain to some people are not confident speakers, some people do struggle with that. Sometimes it's more engaging with the AI voice than my voice, but I do take these comments on board, guys, and I would love to hear your thoughts. So that's Smart EQ 4, guys. Check out the description for a link to an affiliate code. And they've not asked me to do this. I just love this plugin. I'm not known enough to be getting things like companies approaching me to do this stuff, but something I'm aiming for, and but I will give you a link in the description. I've rambled on a little bit too long here, guys, so I'm going to leave you to it, and go and check this one out. It's got a 30-day trial, and yeah, definitely the 30-day trial swayed me on this, going out and playing around with this, and this feature alone is what is going to make me buy this. So yeah, so we hope you like that one, guys, and happy mixing.